students of Standard 7, in geography you are learning about the atmosphere. Today you are going to learn chapter 2 atmosphere part 6, and in this part 6 you are going to learn about the global warming. Through the previous video you have already studied about the greenhouse effect, about the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are responsible to increase the global temperature that increases in the average temperature on the earth, and that is known as global warming. What are the main causes of global warming? The causes of global warming, first is burning of fossil fuel. Every day, for different activities in the industries, in the thermal power plants, and for the domestic purposes as the fuel, fossil fuels like petroleum, coal are burning, and they are releasing too much poisonous gases, and due to that these gases are trapping heat. So due to heat trapping, pollution comes from power plants, vehicles and industries in the form of carbon dioxide, and this heavy gas traps heat and increases the temperature in the atmosphere. Second is fertilizers. Artificial nitrogen in the form of fertilizers increases the nitrogen oxide in the atmosphere, and that causes acid rainfall, and that also affects. Next is the mining and deforestation leads to the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. During the mining processes, blasting is done. That also increases pollution in the air. Deforestation. Forests, the plants also absorb some amount of pollution and reduces the pollution. But due to deforestation, pollution is increasing day by day. Next is rearing of farm animals. When in the large farms many animals, domestic animals are reared, they add methane in the atmosphere through their dung. So that also increases air pollution. So these are some of the causes: burning of fossil fuel, fertilizers, mining and deforestation, rearing of farm animals are adding heavy gases like carbon dioxide, that is trapping heat and increasing the temperature of the earth, and therefore there is a burning problem of global warming. What are the impacts of global warming? It has been started to affect in the ice-capped regions. In the ice-capped regions, when the temperature is increasing, that is melting, and the melting of glaciers are increasing the volume of water in the rivers, and all of a sudden sometimes there is flood. That rise the sea level, and if there is increase in the sea level, small islands can be disappeared, and so global warming is impacting the level of the sea water. Changes in the global rainfall pattern due to very high temperature, that is changing the rainfall pattern. In some areas which were getting rainfall, they are not receiving rainfall because of very high temperature, no formation of clouds. So that is affecting the rainfall, amount of rainfall also, and rainfall pattern. Next is the changes in agricultural yields. If some areas are not receiving rainfall due to global warming, that is affecting the agricultural products, and therefore there is low production in some of the areas, and this is the main causes of one of the main causes of low production. Next, extinction of flora and fauna. Due to the very high range of temperature or increasing pollution, there is extinction of flora and fauna. Plants and animals are being affected, and some days, after some years, there may be extinction of some of the species of flora and fauna. Infectious diseases like uh, asthma and allergies will increase due to air pollution. Pollution is increasing day by day, and that is increasing the air temperature, and that may cause these diseases, and that is very much effective to the living beings, mainly the human beings. So do learn and remember what is global warming, what are the causes, and what are the effects. Thank you.